Probably something really small.
Yo, it's
In a
big
big box.
because
In
it's
a big
big
box.
box.
You don't know what you asked for.
Nana does that. She tricks people like that. Put something really small in a big box.
Wonder
I
who
don't
she
know why I'm
learned it
getting
from.
blamed for all these things. I don't know.
It's got to be something cool.
I'm pretty sure it is.
Pretty sure it is.
I'm pretty sure it is too.
What is that?
That looks like.
A walkie?
That's
a
cool.
Oh
drill
wow.
holder,
Is it new bags?
tool
Is that a new
holster.
bag?
So,
That got a bag?
It's a new bag.
That's
bag.
fancy.
So big.
Oh,
it's
it's
got a
a
lot of
bag.
pockets.
New bloomers?
Jeez
Does that have a
Louise.
back piece on it?
Yes, very cool.
Oh wow.
Yeah, that looks like a lineman kind of
Take
tool
this
bag.
Oh
suspenders off.
wow.
Nice.
Well, he is better than
Sweet.
bags on.
Yeah.
The bags are